Hi, I'm Sean, Energy Products Distribution's installation trainer. And for this video, we're going to demonstrate the installation of paint protection film door edge guard. So let's get started. So we're going to begin with the installation of the door edge guard, and I'm going to demonstrate just how fast and easy a process this is by timing myself from start to finish. So first of all, we're going to clean with some alcohol and water solution and a microfiber cloth. Clean thoroughly both sides of the door edge, the outside and the back side, and dry it off. So I'm going to start about 1/4 inch down from the body line. I'm going to split the door edge guard in two, half on the front, half on the back. And I'm just tacking it right on the very edge of the door edge guard, so it's only holding on the edge. Now at the very top, I'm going to take my thumb and then roll over onto the front surface and start sliding in one continual motion, and I'm guiding it with my right hand on down the door. So continue on down the door, guiding the guard with your right hand. We don't want to pull too hard with that hand because it will stretch the door edge guard. Trying not to stop and go all the way to the bottom. Go back over it with nice firm pressure. And now I'm going to start rolling it with my thumb. I'm going to start about midway down the door, and very gradually I'm going to roll it tight around the very edge of the door. I'm going to go from top to bottom probably 5 or 6 times in a very gradual wrap around the edge so as not to trap air right on that edge. So now that I've got it to the back side, I can now start wrapping it tightly, again with one smooth fluid motion of my finger all the way down. And you can even use your fingernail in that groove on the back side. There's usually a pinch weld there to press it firmly into place so that it won't come loose later. So as you can see, even on a dark color, you can get it to blend in very well. If air gets trapped on the door edge guard, you may need to lift it and reapply it. You should be able to do that without too much damage. So remember, the key here is firm pressure and one continuous motion, and wrapping it very carefully around the edge by going from top to bottom multiple times. The door I'm using actually has a few chips right here. So you can see that the door edge guard will not conceal or hide any damage to the paint. So it is important that the customer knows and that you understand that you want to apply door edge guard to paint that's in good condition, because chips will be visible through it. So from start to finish, including cleaning, one door edge should be able to be installed in 1 minute.